Marcy, let's go.
The radius r of a sphere is increasing at a rate of 0.3 inches per second. At the instant when the surface area S becomes 100 pi square inches, what is the rate of increase in cubic inches per second in the volume V?
So we're looking for Twiggy here. So it says to find the rate of the volume. So that would be dV over dt. Good? The when, it already says when the surface area becomes 100. So we know surface area is equal to 100 pi. And what's nice about that is it's going to give us a radius. So if I take 100 pi is equal to 4 pi r squared. We know our pi's are gone. What is a quarter of 100? So that means the radius must be how many? So that will be part of my when. R is equal to 5 inches. The given rate. Which given rate do I have? D what? dr over dt is given as 0.3 inches per second. And for the equation, didn't we already use the surface area to find the radius already? So the actual given equation that we need to derive is the volume. And not only that, what you're looking for should match the equation. dV over dt must be the derivative of the volume, okay? So let's kind of recall, deriving these. 1v has derivative of 1, but we have to put in dV over dt. And then for 4/3 pi r cubed, when I multiply the cube down here, would you guys agree the 3's cancel?
Yeah.
So we have 4 pi r squared. And now it's deriving the radius, so I need dr over dt. So let's see what information I have so far. Do I know the radius?
Yes.
Do I know dr over dt?
Yes.
So all the information is given. So we have 4 pi. The radius is 5 squared, and dr over dt is 0.3. And it says, for this one, is that doable without a calculator? I think it is, right? Because we could do 4 times 25. That would give us 100 pi. And then 0.3 of that, it's going to be what? 30 pi. And that will be answer choice E. Oh, zoomed in quite a bit. Okay, questions there? Was the autofocus not frozen? So it was doing this at you guys the whole time? All right. Let's go to number 30. I think 30 was Ryan's question, right? Let's read. Go.
The radius of the circle is increasing at a constant rate of 0.2 meters per second. What is the rate of increase in the area of the circle at the instant when the circumference of the circle is 20 pi meters?
So we have Fuigi again. It says to find what rate? Rate of the, find the rate of the
Increase in the area.
area, thank you. So dA over dt. And they already told us, I saw the word when once. When the circumference is 20 pi meters, is it? So if I know the circumference is 20 pi, could I find the radius? What is my radius then? 10 meters, no pi's. Pi's go away. And the given rate that they gave us was d what of the dt? dr, very good. So we have 0.2 meters per second. Is it by second? Yeah. How do I know which equation to use for us to find dA over dt? Area of the circle, because dA, so we have pi r squared. And do we notice that that formula was not given to us? We should already know that one. Let's go ahead and derive this. Derivative of 1a is 1, dA over dt. What is the derivative of pi r squared? 2 pi r dr over dt. And let's see if all the information is given. The r is 10, dr over dt is 0.2. So we have 2 times a pi, 10 squared times 0.2. What happened? Oh, there's no squared. What happened there? Whose point was that? 5 different people? Yo, you guys can all get 0.2 each. Meaning we're gonna round down. You get 0. All right. So all that is gonna give us 20 pi. And when I multiply that by 0.2, 4. So we have 4 pi, which is C. All right, let's go to 32. What's up? When I'm done with this one. Can you wait like 2 minutes? Okay. Okay, whose question was 32? Was it Hamilton?
No, I think it was Keith.
Keith, let's read.
No, I said never mind.
You're like, don't make me read, please.
The wind shows temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. A human feels based on the air temperature in degrees Fahrenheit and the wind velocity v in miles per hour, miles per mph. The air temperature is 32 degrees. Then the wind shows. V is equal to 55.6 minus 22.1 v to the power of 0.16. And it's valid for 5 is less than or equal to v is less than or equal to 16. The next one?
We didn't get to the question yet.
Oh, okay. Over the time interval 0 is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to the air temperature is a constant.
It is so funny, y'all.
No, I'm just tired. Okay, hold on. At time t is equal to 0, the wind velocity is v is equal to 20 miles per hour. The wind velocity increases at a constant rate of 5 miles per hour. And what is the rate of change of the wind show with respect to time at t is equal to 3? Indicate units of measurement.
Thank you. That was good.
I can see it.
You need sleep. All right. What rate are we looking for? So of the wind chill, so dW over dt. And we know it says the wind velocity at t equals 0. So I'm going to write the velocity at 0, as in for me that's initial velocity. 20 miles per hour. But then it's going to increase at a constant rate of 5 miles per hour. So what hour are we looking at on our final answer? V of 3. So if I add 5, 3 times on top of the 20, how many would that give us? 35 miles per hour. And what rate was given to us? The rate of the wind velocity, let's call that dV over dt. And that's given to us as 5. Oh, I wrote 50. Goodness. I know. If only I can add a 0 to my paycheck, right? By accident. That would be 2 zeros. That was constant rate per hour. Okay, let's see what equation we need. Didn't I already give you the equation within anyways? Yeah? Let's go ahead and fill it out. So we have W of V is equal to 55.6 minus 22.1. Ooh. Is that 0.16?
Yes.
Okay. So let's go ahead and derive this. When I derive 1V, it is dW over dt. Do we care about deriving the constant 55.6? No. But to derive the next one, this one's calculator allowed. So I have negative 22.1 times 0.16. Oh. Does that sound right?
Yes, that is right.
So we have negative 3.536 V of, one less than that is negative 0.84. And that was deriving dV over dt. So let's see what I know so far. I know our V at t equals 3 is 35. And we know dV over dt is 5. Let's plug it in.
Okay, so what's the point of having the initial temperature or velocity
So then we can add 5 3 times on top of that. I lost my spot. B was 35. Negative 0.84 times the 5. And y'all can type that in.
Negative 0.8.
That is correct. Negative 0.892 degrees Fahrenheit.